Demystifying the phrase, pause rep. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be exploring a phrase you might have come across but aren't quite sure about. Pause representative. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it confidently in conversations. Let's dive in. Pause representative is actually a short form of two words, pause and rep, or repetition. 1. Pause. This word signifies a brief stop or break in an action. It's when you halt for a moment before continuing. In the context of workouts or training, it often means a deliberate stop or hold during an exercise. 2. Rep. This is an abbreviation for repetition. In exercise, a representative refers to one complete motion of an exercise. For instance, lifting a dumbbell once is considered one representative. When combined, pause rep refers to a type of training repetition where there's a deliberate pause during the movement. It's often used to intensify a workout and target specific muscle groups more effectively. You might wonder, why add a pause in a repetition? Here's why. 1. Increase intensity. By pausing, you're spending more time under tension, making the exercise more challenging. 2. Improved muscle activation. Pausing can help you focus on and activate the correct muscles, ensuring you're doing the exercise effectively. 3. Better technique. Pausing can help in refining your technique, ensuring you're not rushing through the movement and risking injury. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. Bench press. Imagine you're doing a bench press. As you lower the bar to your chest, instead of immediately pushing it back up, you pause for a couple of seconds while the bar is close to your chest. That's a pause representative. 2. Squats. While doing squats, you can pause when you're in the deepest part of the squat before coming back up. Remember, the key is the intentional pause during the movement, adding an extra layer of challenge to the exercise. And there you have it. Now you know what pause rep means and its significance in the world of fitness. So the next time you're at the gym or discussing workouts, you can confidently talk about it. We hope this video sheds light on this phrase. And as always, keep learning and stay curious.